Good morning, University of Hawaii. So, this video is specifically for my students who I have on B Day, which is the University of Hawaii. And this video is to help you guys because as if a pandemic and Zoom school and Google Classroom is not overwhelming enough, let's have a power outage so we can't get to class. So for those of us who aren't able to come to class, I did not want you to feel like you missed out on class. And so I'm making videos of every single period. I'm going to upload them in Google Classroom and also send messages out on Class Dojo when they're there. So that you guys don't get behind and you don't feel like you missed anything. And also, if your electricity is out the entire day today, it's fine because you can do this tomorrow or at your whenever is convenient for you. Okay? So, first of all, let's jump into it. The first thing I'm going to show you is homework. Well, nope, not on the right thing. My bad. Here we go. This is our homework for today. This needs to be written in your planner. Feel free to pause this video because I'm going to talk kind of fast. Because I'm going to try to make the video as short as possible. And you can always slow the video down. Just one small change is you are only required to complete 40 total minutes of iReady reading for this week. Because of the power outage today, too many of you don't have access. So I'm shrinking that. Instead of 20 minutes every day, I'm canceling today's assignment, so it's only 40 minutes of iReady. The no writing quiz is the same quiz from the Monday. Remember, there's only one no red ink assignment this week. All right, let's jump into humanities. It says complete the notes on Kush. We know that whenever we take notes on ancient civilizations, we use what is called the GRAPES acronym. The G stands for geography, R, religion, A, achievements, P, politics, E, economy, and S is social life. We know that when we read about a new civilization and a new kingdom, we look for those identifying markers because they help us understand our ancient civilizations. They help us organize our ideas. They also help us organize our notes. So I want you to practice doing it by yourself. The Kingdom of Kush is located on page 199 in your book. Your book looks a little bit different from mine because I have extra because this is a teacher's edition. And it goes from 199 to 205. So it's only 6 pages. And you are going to read, and if you find where the Kingdom of Kush is located, where does that go? Geography. If you find things like any inventions by the Kingdom of Kush, achievements. If you find out if they have a king or a pharaoh or I don't know, that would go into politics. If you find out that they also worship the god Re, just like the Egyptians, that would go into religion. Super easy. Heads up, the only part that's a little bit questionable is burial rituals. If their burial rituals have to do with their religious beliefs, like the people of Egypt, that would go in with religion. Okay, so let me show you where to find that assignment. If you go, let me make myself small. Let me come over to my Google Classroom. You go to first period. Right here we have Kingdom of Kush notes, and each of you will open this, and you're literally going to type the notes right on here. On Friday, we are going to pull out our Kingdom of Kush notes, and we're going to review, and we're going to talk about what we got right, what we need to work on. We're going to talk about our glows and our grows when it comes to taking notes successfully. That is all we have to do for history today. I hope that was helpful. Really quickly, and I'm going to try to say this in every video, I am very blessed in that I have electricity, and my neighborhood was able to weather the storm last night. So that being said, I am available to help. I still am doing Zoom class. I will turn my Zoom back on at 1:20. Sorry, I forgot what time class is. I will turn my Zoom back on at 1:20. And if you come to get help, that's fine. If you want to do class this way today, that's fine too. I'm just trying to be as available as possible. Also, today is supposed to be my first day of tutoring after school, and I will be doing that. So at 2:30, please come to tutoring. You can double check to make sure you got everything right. Remember, we'll grade it. And I will see you then. I hope you stay safe. I hope you stay healthy. If you need me, you guys give me a call, shoot me a message on Class Dojo. Just in case you haven't heard it 5 million times, my cell phone number is area code 209 985-1605. If you need me, let me know, okay? I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope this video helps a little bit alleviate some of your stress.